Hi. I know that I haven't been making any good videos lately, but I will go back once I have arranged whatever I need to arrange in my brain right now. But we'll sure we will be back. And I just want everyone to know just quickly all of the other Tikitoki topics will be course towards the podcast now. So I'll be linking the podcasts down below where you can listen to them. And let's hear my evil twin talk. But for now, I would not want to take so long because you're probably here for an unboxing. And I have something right here for everyone. This came from Love and Moon PH. So I've been wanting one of these for a long time now, and I was about to hit the add to cart to Shopee and check it out, but I remember that Love and Moon has something like this, and it is really well packaged. I really love this gold tape right over here, and let me just get my scissor as always and cut it out like that, and I'm super excited. Well, I will be linking the Instagram below, and if you're watching this from Instagram, then I will be tagging Love and Moon so you can also get yours. They don't only sell these, but they also sell crystals, and you can ask a lot of questions about them. Ooh, don't you just guys love packaging? I do. It feels like Christmas. I really appreciate all of these little things. Oh, okay. So let me remove that. And then let me show you what I got. This is pretty awesome. So I have an incense holder, but this one is a Backflow incense holder with one slot for the stick. I'll show you where I'm gonna put it, and I'll show you how it works. Also, I did order a lot of incense cones because I only have one left. And I ordered a lot. Yay! Ooh. So we receive a little bit of a freebie. Thank you so much. Thank you for your support, Lee. Happy weekend. I will always support you. Thank you so much. And let's open it up and see what we've got. Oh, we have a crystal. We have a stone. Yeah. Okay, and then we have a little note. Oh, they're not little notes. I think these are what? Stickers. Ooh, and I really appreciate the packaging. It's all little stars. And a little something, a little crystal right here. Can you see it? It's really nice. I do this, it's not even focusing, but it's really nice. I'll just have to put this beside our burner. Thank you so much, Love and Moon. This is really awesome. Next to this, I'll show you how it works. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. Like and subscribe.